Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, have you ever seen text where images are inside the letters and thought, yeah, this looks cool, but probably paid? Good news. Today, I'll show you how to put pictures inside text in Canva, completely free and in just a few clicks. This is perfect if you want to level up your store banners, product headers, or social media graphics without needing design experience. Let's jump straight into it. First, go to the app section inside Canva. In the search bar, type FrameMaker. This is the app. Click on it and install. It only takes a few seconds, and once it's installed, it becomes available inside all your designs. If you're a regular viewer of this channel, you already know this app. I've made several tutorials on it before because it's amazing for creating custom frames. It's especially useful if you want more control over how images are shaped or displayed. But today, I want to show you something new, a free feature called text frames that a lot of people are still sleeping on. Switch to the text frames option now. Simply type your text here. I'll type my word above. This works great for brand names, collection titles, or promotional words like sale or new. You'll see an option called Split into Images. If you turn this on, each letter becomes its own separate frame. This is perfect if you want different images inside each letter, like showing multiple products or textures in one word. For now, I'll turn this off so the whole word stays as one frame, which is usually cleaner for logos or hero sections. If you're using the Pro version, you'll also get the option to change the font family. This gives you more flexibility to match your brand style. Let's scroll and choose a cool font. Nice, font updated. You can also adjust the letter spacing from here to make the text look more balanced, which is especially important if you're using bold fonts or planning to place this on a website or ad. Once everything looks good, click Add to Design, and just like that, your text frame is ready. Let's increase the size of the text frame so it stands out more. Bigger text usually works better for headers and thumbnails. Let's also add the split version so you can clearly see the difference between the two styles. I'll make both the same size so the comparison is clear and easier to decide which one fits your design better. Now comes the fun part, adding images. Go to Elements, search for something like nature, and open Photos. You can also use product photos, lifestyle shots, or brand visuals here. Drag and drop the image and boom, the image goes inside the text. You can double-click and adjust the image however you like, which is great for focusing on specific details or colors. Now look at the split text below here. You can add different images to different letters like this, and this, and this. This works really well if you want to highlight multiple products, patterns, or themes in one word. This gives a really creative and professional look that instantly makes your design feel more high-end. Personally, I love this new update. It opens up a lot of creative possibilities without needing extra tools. So yeah, that's how you can put pictures inside letters in Canva using a free method. Let me know in the comments which version do you like more, single image text or split letter images. And if you want to learn other powerful features of this app that can help improve your store visuals and marketing, watch this video next. I'll see you there.